Did you know that over 1.5 million medical devices are produced in the US every year? That's right. It's a staggering number, and it really gives you an idea of how critical this industry is to healthcare. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of medical devices and how they're made in factories right here in the US. This topic is super important because these devices save lives every day, and understanding their journey from concept to reality is just incredible. Presentation of problem, challenge. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges that come with manufacturing medical devices. First off, the regulatory environment is a real doozy. The FDA has strict guidelines that manufacturers must follow to ensure safety and effectiveness. This means that companies have to constantly adapt to new regulations while ensuring compliance. It's not just about making a device, it's about making sure it meets all these safety standards before it even hits the market. And let's not forget about the challenges of innovation. As technology advances, manufacturers must keep up, which often means redesigning devices or implementing new materials. Plus, there's the pressure of maintaining quality control throughout the entire production process. Any slip-up could mean the difference between life and death. Exploration, development. So, how does the process actually work? Well, it all starts with the design phase. Engineers and designers brainstorm and come up with prototypes. This is where the magic begins. After a few iterations, a working prototype is created, and that's when the real testing starts. They put the device through rigorous tests to ensure it works as intended. Once the design is finalized, the production phase kicks in. Here, materials are sourced, manufacturing lines are set up, and the actual devices are produced. After production, quality control comes into play. Each device undergoes thorough inspections and tests to ensure it meets all the necessary standards. It's a long and detailed process, but every step is crucial to ensure that the final product is safe for patients. Climax, key moment. Now, let's highlight a key moment in this journey: the quality assurance testing. Imagine a team of experts meticulously examining a batch of devices, putting each one through a series of intense tests. There's this moment when they discover a flaw in a device that could have serious implications. Instead of just brushing it off, they dive deep into the problem, figure out what went wrong, and make necessary changes. This breakthrough moment not only saves the company from a potential disaster but also ensures that patients receive only the safest products. It's this level of dedication that truly sets the medical device industry apart. Conclusion, summary. So, to wrap things up, we've taken a journey through the complex world of medical device manufacturing. From the initial design to the rigorous quality control testing, every step is essential to producing devices that you and I rely on every day. The challenges are real, but the innovation and dedication of the people in this industry are what make it all possible. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video interesting, let us know your thoughts about medical devices in the comments below. Have you ever thought about how these life-saving tools are made? Also, don't forget to check out our other videos related to healthcare technology. Thanks for watching and see you next time.